Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. We're looking at Memorial Day weekend, and we just took the bulls out of this particular paddock. We've got the bulls running separate from the cattle. You can see the backs of them over in that grass, but they're getting a pretty nice grass trap here today. It's got about 30 days recovery on it. It's all recovered. Just a lot of clovers, and there's actually some orchard grass, Reed's canary grass down in here. This is kind of a bottom. But you see, I just took the wire up. You can kind of see the line right here. We've got one water tank in this whole bottom. It's about a 25-acre bottom. It's a big one. And we got one water point right up there in the middle at the bottom on that tree line there, or that fence row. And so we started right there. This is our first paddock. We actually built a lane to get him into the center of the bottom here, right along that fence. Once we got him in here, we took the lane up and locked them in here. They were in about, I don't know, 4 acres yesterday. We just took them off of those hills up there. But this is a kind of a neat farm. My lifetime lease farm is over there on that woods line, and we got pressurized water over there. Well, I got a lease on this one. This is a 78 acres, and I didn't have any water. And so what I did is there's a hydrant way up there on that tree line over there. And I took a piece of polyethylene pipe, 3/4 inch, and put a snap coupler on the end of it, and it goes from that tree line all the way across that field over to the center of that field, and it feeds all those paddocks up there, and then it comes down the hill into this bottom. And it's all 3/4 inch polyethylene. I bought 400-foot rolls and just, put joints on them. And I set them right underneath that paddock division fence up there so the cows couldn't walk on it. And you can't even find that pipe today. The grasses and stuff have grown over it. And that helps keep the water cool in the summertime. So you can go up there, put your hand in that water right now, and I mean, it's cold. And on a hot day, that's important. You don't want your water getting too hot or the cattle won't drink it. And that's one of the disadvantages of putting a pipe on top of the ground. If you don't let vegetation grow over it, by golly, it will get hot on a 100-degree day. But so today we gave him this piece behind me. Tomorrow, we'll roll up that wire over there. We've already got that split up into 3. We get that grazed on, and they've got to come back over here to get water. But folks, they're not gonna graze on this. It's been trampled on the ground. There's defecation. The grass smells, and all this is carbon. Look at all this carbon. I'm excited, man. Look at the carbon out here. I didn't have to do anything. The cattle did all this. They trampled it on the ground. Not all of it, but probably 50–60% of it's on the ground. And that's my little baby honey locust tree. That's going to be a heck of a shade tree. The beautiful thing about honey locusts, you don't have to worry about the cows rubbing on them too much. They've got anti-rubbers on them. That's the thorns. But I've left about 10 of them out here in this bottom because I don't have any shade. That darn tree is growing. There's another one right over there. And I've got one little sycamore. Yeah, there it is over there by the four-wheeler. Folks, this is Greg Judy signing off on a beautiful day, and everyone have a great Memorial Day weekend.